A lot of people drink lemon water the first thing in the morning because them say this is one of the healthiest way to start the day, which is good. But a very few people know say the alkaline power of the lemon, it can become even more powerful by adding one more ingredient to it. And you see that ingredients, that is the pineapple. The pineapple, it is very powerful. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, nutrients, and it offers a lot more health benefits. So if you can put a bit of pineapple in your lemon water, that would be very powerful. Yes, people, FadaGugs is here again today with another simple but very effective video. You see, today I'm going to be making a refreshing summer cooler. And you see this juice, it is going to be very refreshing. It is going to be very hydrating, and it will have a lot of health benefits which your body need. But if this is the first time to the channel, just big up yourself and enough love for clicking on FadaGugs Channel. So now let's just start the process of making that nice juice. Remember, first thing, always wash your hand, make sure your hands are clean. Wash the ingredients so you're not put no dirt, no germs inside them. So what you want to do, you're going to put the water to the side and we're going to bring the blender forward. Take off the lid off of the blender. You rest the lemon them to the side because we're going to get the juice out of the lemon. We're not going to blend the lemon. The honey, put the honey to the side. The first ingredients I'm going to be using half a pineapple. And you see the pineapple, it is a great source of healthy carbs. The pineapple, it improves immunity. It can also lower the risk of cancer. It may heal wounds when we get cut and all of them things. The pineapple may also help with the healing process. It can improve the gut health. It can also strengthen our bone, improve the eye. It can also promote tissue growth, and it can also strengthen our gums. Then I'm going to add a nice piece of ginger to this juice. And you see the ginger, you know, so it have a long list of health benefits. Some of the benefits them, it can treat many forms of nausea. It may drastically lower blood sugar. The ginger, it can help us with weight loss. It may improve the brain function and protect us against Alzheimer's disease. And it can also help to fight infection. But you see the bottom line, the ginger is loaded with nutrients and bioactive compounds that have powerful benefits for our body and our brain. And then remember, we're going to use 2 cups of water. Just throw the water inside it. Just like that. So there you have it. So we are going to put that on the blender and then we'll get back to you. So here you have it, people. Dip on the blender, all ready to start the process of making that lovely juice. So we are going to just blend it really. Once it blend out, then I'll get back to you. So here you have it, people. All finished. So what we need to do, we need to just get the container. I'm going to strain it off here now. Just throw the juice inside that strainer. Oh, that smells nice. Yeah, just make it go on and run. Get a wooden spoon, you can beat and stir it this way. See the paper all finished. Squeeze out. That's fine. So finish with that. So what you need to do is Just rest that to the side. Next, I'm going to be adding 2 nice sized lemon to this juice. Now you see the lemon, it can support the heart health. It can help to control the weight. As if you notice, a lot of time people make weight loss juice or smoothie, them have a piece of lemon inside it. But you see the bottom line when I try to say, lemon contain a high amount of vitamin C, soluble fiber and plant compound that give them a number of health benefits. And a little trick you can do with lemon or lime, just nice it up, juice it up. Because sometimes you buy them and they're a bit hard and you get all of the juice out of it. So you can just give them a bit of rub on the surface, soften them up, and then the juice will just start run out. Just like that. Yep. Then we'll bring back the strainer, and then we're going to throw the lime juice in it. Yeah, just like that. That smells nice, that does. And just keep a mix. Spoon. Then I got 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey, and I said you could use whatever sweetener you want to use in your one. Just give it a nice mix. I'll give it a taste now to see what it tastes like. Yeah, that is lovely. That is lovely. So I'm going to do is bring back my chopping board. I'm going to put it in a nice glass so you can have a look. So here you have it, people, a nice glass. So you need to do, just eat a nice mix and then just throw out that goodness inside it. Look at that color, man. Sunshine that, you know. Yeah, what we do now is put a couple ingredients inside it. Nice piece of ginger, lemon, so we can do cut a piece of lemon, just like that. And last but not least, a nice summer straw. So there you have it, people. That is the final product. A nice and very refreshing summer cooler. And don't forget, this juice is going to make you stay hydrated. It's going to be very refreshing, and it also is going to give you a lot of the health benefits them where your body need. So if you like the video today, don't be afraid to give FadaGugs that thumbs up. And as always, remember to click that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification so you will be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. And as always, just remember to share it with your friends, share it with your family, just share it all over. But for now, until next time, FadaGugs is out.